and welcome to the world of Amazon. If you are a beginner looking to start your own business, or just want to learn how to sell on Amazon, then you have come to the right place. In this guide, we will cover all the basics of Amazon, including how to set up an account, find products to sell, and start making money. Why Amazon? Amazon is one of the largest online marketplaces in the world. It has over 300 million active customers and billions of dollars in revenue each year. With Amazon, you have access to a huge customer base that is already looking for products to buy. This makes it much easier to start a successful business than starting from scratch. Setting up an Amazon account. The first step to selling on Amazon is to set up an account. This is a relatively easy process that can be completed in just a few minutes. To get started, go to the Amazon website and click on the Sell on Amazon button. From there, you will be asked to create an account and provide some basic information about yourself. Finding products to sell. Once you have set up your Amazon account, the next step is to find products to sell. There are several ways to do this, including 1. Researching popular products. Look for products that are currently popular on Amazon and try to find similar products that you can sell. 2. Using Amazon's product search tools. Amazon has several tools that you can use to search for products, including the best sellers list, the movers and shakers list, and the most wished for list. 3. Sourcing products from wholesalers. You can also find products to sell by working with wholesalers and distributors. Listing your products. Once you have found products to sell, the next step is to list them on Amazon. This involves creating a product listing that includes information about the product, such as its title, description, and images. You will also need to set a price for the product and determine how much inventory you have available. Marketing your products. Once your products are listed on Amazon, the next step is to market them. This involves using a variety of marketing techniques to drive traffic to your product listings and increase sales. Some popular marketing techniques include 1. Paid advertising. Amazon offers several advertising options that you can use to promote your products, including sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display ads. 2. Social media marketing. You can also use social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram to promote your products and drive traffic to your Amazon listings. 3. Influencer marketing. Working with influencers can also be a great way to promote your products and reach a wider audience. Managing your Amazon account. As your Amazon business grows, it is important to stay on top of your account and manage it effectively. This includes monitoring your sales, managing your inventory, and handling customer service issues. You may also need to work with Amazon seller support team to resolve any issues that arise. Selling on Amazon can be a great way to start your own business or generate additional income. While there is a learning curve involved, it is a relatively easy process that can be mastered with some time and effort. With the tips and strategies outlined in this guide, you should be well on your way to becoming a successful Amazon seller. Good luck!